Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Gastronomic Delights by LB. Today's recipe is mango kesar shrikhand. You can look at these beautiful lovely glasses of mango kesar shrikhand. It's again a very healthy Navratri fasting recipe. These glasses look so amazing and beautiful, and they are very delicious as well. It's again a very healthy and a easy quick recipe that you can try at home, and very good looking. You're also presented to your guests because it is a very simple recipe. Let's start with the recipe. So the main ingredient that we need is hung curd. So you can see this curd is very thick. You can also use Greek yogurt instead of hung curd. And for hung curd, what you have to do is you can just put the curd into a muslin cloth for around 5 to 6 hours and you get this hung curd. And apart from that, you need honey, some kesar dipped in milk, few strands of kesar dipped in milk, and of course a mango. And for garnishing we need almonds, some dry fruit, and some rose petal that I have, which is optional. You can remove rose petals if you want. So let us start. Take a mango and just dice the mango. So for mango shrikhand we need a good large mango, and make sure mango is not tangy. It's pretty sweet, otherwise shrikhand will be tangy. So just dice the mango. You can see the way I'm dicing it, cutting it. It's very easy, and you can directly put it into blender. You don't mess your hands a lot with this. So it's a very good, easy and quick way of cutting a mango. So just dice the mango and put it in the blender. We need this mango to be pureed, and take some mango extra on side because that will use in garnishing the shrikhand. Now you can see I have pureed the mango and we'll keep it aside. Now take a bowl and we'll add the yogurt or hung curd that we have kept. It's approximately 1 big cup of yogurt. It will make approximately 3 glasses of shrikhand, 3 to 4 glasses of shrikhand. So just whisk it a bit so that it's little bit creamy. It's a very simple recipe. Now we'll add the pureed mango into this. Do keep aside around 1/4 of mango, around 4 to 5 tablespoons, that we'll use at garnishing the shrikhand at the end. Now mix the mango and yogurt really well. There should be no lumps. It should be smooth and creamy mixture. Just mix both of them really well, and you can see it is pretty thick, and shrikhand has to be little thick. And now you add honey. So here I'm using honey because I think it's a little bit healthy. It makes desserts healthy. But if you want, you can use white sugar as well as normal white powdered sugar in this recipe. Avoid using brown sugar or gur because that will add their own color. So you will not get this yellow color. So avoid using brown sugar or any other sugar. You can use normal white sugar, you can use honey. Now add kesar. So I'm basically adding kesar here because it gives a good color to my shrikhand. If you want more dark color, you can use the normal yellow artificial color that is available in the market. I did not want it to use the color, so I'm using kesar. Kesar is a very nice ingredient. Kesar actually gives warmness and strength to the body, and it is really good when you are fasting. So kesar is a good substitute for color as well. So I prefer going with natural things rather than adding color. So now I'm going to chop some almonds. So in the shrikhand, it is a kind of pure dish because we are adding saffron, we are adding dry fruits, we are adding curd, we are adding fruit. Mango is a fruit, so it is a complete dish that is very good for you during your fast. So now I'm gonna serve shrikhand in these small glasses. I don't want to serve them in a bowl, but you can definitely do serve them in a bowl. But I'm gonna serve them in these glasses and layer it them. So I'll take half of the mixture. I'll fill the glasses with half of the mixture. Presenting a dessert in a glass makes it really attractive and eye-catchy, so people are tempted to have it. So next layer I'll place is of the mangoes that we kept earlier. And now I'm gonna add some rose petals. So this is pretty optional. If you don't have rose petals, you can ignore this. I had rose petals, so I'm using this dried rose petals. And add some almonds now in the glass. So almonds are also optional. You can use any other dry fruit that you want. Pistachios goes very well with mango. You can also use raisins to give more natural sweetness. And now after adding nuts and fruits, I'm gonna top it with the rest of the mixture that I had. Fill the glasses. So this is pretty filling. One glass is pretty filling if you are fasting, and even if you are not fasting, because yogurt, mango, nuts, it is a kind of complete meal. So now I'm gonna top the final layer. We'll do final garnishing. Top it with pureed mango that we kept earlier. Just add a layer of pureed mango, and yeah, you can see the beautiful they look. The color of the mango is so bright and nice. I would recommend using the cherry mango if you have. I have these mangoes here, so I'm using this one. But the cherry mangoes, I guess the color is pretty orangish, and it also looks beautiful. Now top it with the chopped mangoes, leftover chopped mangoes, some almonds, and again rose petals. So you can see they look so beautiful. They look amazing. So red color almonds, yellow color, they look so pretty. And also at the end, do garnish it with few mint leaves. That will add a freshness to it. If you don't have rose petals, please ignore it, as I said earlier. Just top it with some mint leaves. Mint leaves will add freshness, color, brightness to the dish. With yellow, you can see green looks amazing. So do try this recipe and let me know if you like it. You can see this mango Shrikhand cups look so beautiful. They look so pretty, and I'm sure you are tempted. And very good and easy, quick, healthy recipe. You can definitely eat this recipe generally also when you have guests coming over. This is a good summer recipe with mango and yogurt. So I'm going to eat this now. Bye. Do try yours. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe for more interesting recipes.